Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're well. I hope you're blessed. I hope you're living life. Today I'm translating Flavour's gospel song from his new album titled African Royalty. I have an album review for the whole album on my channel. Please check it out. I'll leave it up here somewhere. So this song I'm translating is a personal favorite of mine. I know a lot of people like the song, but they don't really know the meaning, especially the Igbo part of the song that Flavour spoke Igbo in. So that's what I'll be doing today. Okay? So the song is called Daberechi, and Daberechi literally means lean on God. So Chi, like we all know, means God. The literal translation, it could mean personal God, but we're not going down the whole cosmology of the Igbo gods and all of that. We're not doing that. So Chi, for the concept of the song and what is used in today's world, it means God. Okay, so that is what we are talking about. So the song is called Daberechi, Lean on God. This song is so personal to me. I can't tell you why, but it's just, I love the song so much, and I'm so happy to share it with you guys. So he starts the song, he lives his life for God, he gives it all to him, okay? Agune Chemba means the lion that protects the city. Mba means city or country or state. So Ago in this context means lion, but we know that Ago in Igbo, back in the days, is the leopard, okay? But with modern translation and modern contextual understanding, we say lion to mean Ago, or we say Ago to mean lion. Nechemba, so Neche is to guard, to protect. So Ago Nechemba, the lion that guards or protects the city. Daberechi neke, I put my trust in you. So Daberechi neke, that I put my trust in you. Lean on God, I put my trust in God, I put my trust in you. And yeah is just exclamation, it's just a saying. Chineke Kigwe, so God in heaven, God of heaven. Chineke nke Igwe, Igwe means heaven, nke Igwe in heaven, or God of heaven. Chineke nke Igwe. Nna Chubafa, Father, chase them. Father, go after them. Nna is father. Chuba is pursue, chase. Go after them. Chubafa, go after them, chase them. Chubande na chwani, chase after those that are chasing after us. Nna Chubafa, Father, chase them. Chubande na chwani, chase after those that are chasing after us. Okay? Busobehara, declare war on them. Fight my battle. Those people that said that we will not have peace, those people that said our happiness is not good for them, Father, declare war on them. Go after them. Since they want to come after us, we serve the only God, the one true God. Father, go after them. And this is also a prayer that obviously some people, there are some instances where people are beefing you, people are fighting you, and you have no clue. Okay, you have no clue that people are thinking so negative about you, that are, people pretend a lot. Okay, so in this case, the war, the people that declare war on you and you are not aware, Father, please deal with them. Father, please pursue them, because we can't do it, we can't see it, we don't know what is going on behind the scenes. So For those people that are fighting us behind the scenes, even those that are fighting us in the scene, Father, pursue them, deal with them, okay? And when God deals with you, Ike mangwani, we will not lose hope. We will not be tired. We will not lose strength. Okay, Ike mangwa, Ike means strength. Ike mangwani, we will not be tired. Okay. Daberechi, Lord, I put my trust in you. Beginning and the end. So the English part I will not be translating. It says beginning and the end, Alpha, Omega. So this is praise. This is a thing that you tell God, okay? This saying, Onyem Jiaba, it means the one that I am proud of. You know, like when you see a child and you're like, I'm proud of you. Ejim ge mono, ejim gaba. Like, you, because of you, I have bragging rights. Okay, that's literally what it means. Okay, when you see value in something, when something provides value for you and it makes your life exceptional, and because of that you are exceptional. So that is what it is, you know. God is my bragging rights. Do you understand? My God is an ever-flowing ocean. Oshimiri means ocean, and atata means like it never dries up. It never dries up. Chimuboshimiri atata. God is an ever-flowing ocean, okay? And he is an ocean that never dries. In this context, God's power is infinite, okay? You can't imagine, you can't fathom what God's abilities are. So you see how science have told us that the ocean has not been discovered. Like, the depth of the ocean, we don't know half of what is in the ocean. So imagine that. Imagine what God is. If God is an ever-flowing, deep ocean that never dries, okay? He's ever-flowing. Yeah. So Imarala na Chineke anyị dị ebube. Imarala na Chineke anyị dị ebube. Do you know that our God is glorious? Do you know that our God is amazing? Okay, Imarala, do you know? Is a question. He's asking you, do you know that God is amazing? God is glorious. Ebube is glory. So do you know that our God is glorious? Agidiba, agidiba, it means like strong, strong and mighty. So he's an ever-flowing ocean that never dries. God is limitless, okay? And do you know how glorious our God is? He's strong and mighty. God is strong and mighty, okay? So you know, like when it says when someone comes at gidiba, like it gives that energy, like strong, someone that is like bata bata, like I don't know how to explain it. Like God is you know, he gives that like, you know, you can't mess with God. You can't mess with our God. Our God is a strong and mighty God. What God has promised, he will fulfill. Those things that God has promised, those things are the things that he will fulfill. And these songs, these words, these lyrics, they are all biblical. So that is why this song is very powerful. It's very touching, okay, because the lyrics are rooted in the Bible. You the fight all my battles for me. So now you the fight all my battles for me. You're the one that fights all my battles. Lord, I live my life for you. Lord, I will never be put to shame. Daberechi neke. So the song is quite repetitive. It's very easy to learn. It's very easy. So you have the Igbo part, the first part, then you have the second part where he's praising God and calling God an ever-ending ocean, and God is amazing, and God is all of these things. And then he now goes back to natural battle. God, please fight our battle. We lean on you. So that is the song. Chubandi naturally, Busobeara. Do you know? He is saying, listen, God, those people that have declared themselves, those people that have said that there will be mountains in our life, God, move them. God moved them. Those people that have decided to be a pest in our life, God declare war on them. Those people that want to use us and throw us away and just do anyhow, God will punish each and every one of you. Because those are God's words. Those are God's promises to his children. Because you cannot do God's children bad, particularly those that are not doing anything to you. Okay? So what is this song saying? It's saying that we lean on God. If you're listening to this song and you're trying to fully flow in the prayer, in the manifestation, in the prophecy that is in that song, he is saying that he will lean on God. We need to lean on God. I lean on God because God is the one that fights my battles for me. Okay? People can come after me, but because I lean on God, because I trust in God, there's nothing the enemy would ever do to me. Whatever they are saying, whatever they are projecting, whatever it is that they are putting out there, it will not be made manifest, because that is not God's promises for us. Because we trust in the Lord, we will not lose faith. Ayaga Damba, okay? We will not be ashamed. We will not be put to shame because we lean on God, we trust in God, we believe in the promises that God has for us. So that is what the song is saying. Hence why I told you this song is so spiritual, it's so nice, and if you understand it, you would tap into the blessings that come with the prayers of this song. Like, God can speak through anybody, and God can use anybody to remind you of his promises. Like, you wouldn't think that Flavour would be the one to preach the gospel, but here he is preaching the gospel, singing songs that are so deep rooted in the Bible, you know. So that is that. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you now truly understand how powerful and how amazing this song is. Probably why it is a lot of people's favorite song in this season. Is definitely one of mine. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have come across this video and you really like it, and you know someone who truly likes the song and they don't know the meaning, please share this video with them. Hope you continue listening to Igbo songs, Igbo gospel songs, because they are so amazing and they will draw you closer to God. Okay, there is something about worship, gospel songs and worship. It goes a long way in your work with God, in connecting with God. I appreciate gospel songs. I appreciate gospel songs that are written and sung in Igbo. So that is that. I just wanted to share this video with you guys, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If there's any songs you would like me to translate for you or go through with you, please leave it in the comment section and I will get to it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Please click the subscribe button. Subscription is free, and I will see you guys in my next one. Okay, bye.